going to be our new project, and this is our main washroom toilet on the first floor. It has a lot of issues. It has very old value. You can see here, it's pretty old. It has a lot of stain on the sink top, and also the fittings are pretty old and outdated. And the floor is just squeaking as well. Let me show you. Okay, so we're gonna start with taking out or pulling out all the fittings, starting from this kind of a medicine box that is fitted under the wall. We'll take this off, and then goes out this mirror, and then I'll gradually start dismantling the plumbing and the sink top, and we'll start moving out the vanity, and then we need to do the flooring, and also this toilet seat has to be replaced as well. But my major thing is, like, major issue is the flooring. I have to check the subfloor, what is the condition, and whether we need to lay down the new subfloor layer with the plywood. I've already purchased a vinyl solid core flooring for this toilet room or washroom, and let's see how it goes. The color will be changed. We're gonna follow the same old theme, the black on the walls and white on the ceiling, and we have vinyl floor which is also white in color. So let's see how it goes.